Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial, we will see a very important concept. What can be asked in DAX interview as well as in daily workspace, in daily work of use. We do these kind of things. Okay, in dashboard. So here you can see this is our superstore table. Okay, here what you can see is here is a segment column, customer name, region, city, all these are there. So uh, here we used a pie chart, right? Here we used a pie chart, here ship mode, and according to that ship mode what is the profit is there, and we used segment column as filter, consumer, corporate and home office. Now the requirement is, if all among these three, if I use home office, then only my pie chart will be shown. Unless if I click on other visuals, if I click on other filters, this pie chart should not show. Okay, it will be hidden. How it can be achieved? So for these things, first thing we can do with bookmark, but cons of bookmark is like it can make your dashboard heavy. So preferred thing is not to go with bookmark. Okay, so what is the alternative way? The alternative way is using DAX. So we can use DAX for this thing. So what I am using, here you can see I wrote a DAX function, DAX calculation. Here you can see variable a. So I took a variable, then I am using is filtered function. So is filtered, then the segment column. So this segment column is this one. So in this segment column, consumer, corporate and home office is there. Okay, the values are there. So it will check first, is filtered will check first, is this column is filtered or not, is this segment column is filtered or not, then and condition. So it will check both of the condition, then it will check is the segment value is home office or not. Okay, if first it will check if this segment column is filtered or not, then it will check if it is filtered, then what it the value of filtered version is home office or not. If this both condition are satisfied, then only show us the profit, unless it will unless it will show blank. Okay, so now here what I have to do, previously I was using normal profit function, normal sum function for profit. Now I will remove it and put this DAX here. Okay, here you can see consumer is selected but chart is blank, we cannot see the chart. Corporate selected, chart is blank. Then if I use home office, then this chart will be shown. Okay, here you can see. So here in this DAX function we are using two conditions. First it will see the column is filtered or not, then if the column is filtered, then it is home office or not. If it is home office, then it will show the profit, unless it will show blank. So like this we can do the things, alternative of bookmark. So I think you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share it among your friends who are interested in Power BI. Thank you guys, thank you.